Want to make a flower out of a few household items? Well, then stay right here and let's get into our craft corner. Hi everyone, my name is Miss Ani and I love to craft. Today we're gonna be making a flower using a popsicle stick, a cupcake liner, some glue, markers, and this cute little button right here. Okay, let's jump right in. For step one, I need to choose my favorite color of a cupcake liner so that I can make my flower. I love cupcakes, but my favorite color has to be, I think, pink for sure. I love putting chocolate icing on my cupcakes with sprinkles and all the other chocolate things.
I love chocolate.
Okay, focus, Miss Ani. I want to choose the pink cupcake liner. So in order to do this, we have to spread it out just like this. And then choose your favorite flower to color. You can color a tulip, you can color a sunflower, whatever you want, but my favorite flower is a daisy. So I'm gonna color a daisy with my marker right here. Okay, you guys, I just colored my daisy. The next thing I need to do is choose a popsicle stick. And I have to choose what color I want. I think stems on the flower are green, so I'm definitely gonna make my popsicle stick green. So I'm gonna grab my popsicle stick from my pile, and I chose green. So the next thing I need to do is I need to put my glue dot. I have glue dots. If you're at home doing this, you could also use like a glue stick or like liquid glue. You can use whatever you have, and you're just gonna put it right on the end of the popsicle stick. So I'm gonna do that now. And you're gonna put it right there on the end so that you can make sure that your beautiful flower is at the center of attention. Now, I need to attach my flower to this. So I'm gonna take it just like this and put it on there and stick it. Just like that. Now look at my flower, it's so cute. Now we're not quite done. I need to attach that little cute button from earlier. So I'm gonna take my cute little button, just like this, grab another glue dot or glue stick or glue and put it in the center of my flower. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take my button and put it right in the middle. And now I have my flower. Thank you guys so much for making these with me. Now you have a beautiful flower to give to whoever you want. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you next time.